Here's how to upload YouTube videos using just your smartphone. Get the YouTube app on your phone and log into your account and click on that plus sign right there. If your video is longer than 1 minute, you're gonna click on upload video, not create a short. So I created this TikTok that's a bit over a minute, so I'm gonna use that as a long form video on YouTube. Now click next. On the mobile version, YouTube gives you the option to create a title, add a description, and add a playlist. You can also add a thumbnail, so let's do that first. I already created a thumbnail, so I'm going to select it from my phone. If you want to create thumbnails for YouTube fast, check out Canva. That's what I use to create all my YouTube thumbnails. Speaking of thumbnails, if you're an Apple user and you have the new iOS 16, just press down on your image, click copy, and then you can paste that image anywhere you want, including Canva. This helps me create thumbnails super fast just using my smartphone. So if you're an Apple user seeing this for the first time, you're welcome. And this is my thumbnail, guys. That took me like 5 minutes to create. Okay, let's get our title and our description done. So for this, I use Notion. This is where I store all my ideas in one place so I can access it from my phone. So for this content piece, I already prepared my title, my description, as well as my tags. Now all I have to do is copy paste from Notion to YouTube. This is really useful, especially if you're creating content on the go or if you have a very busy schedule. And now the last part is just add to a playlist, and then once you're done, click upload. Now just give it a minute. YouTube will process your video and then upload it to your channel. Now you're gonna go ahead and get the YouTube Studio app. This is free to use. Once it's uploaded, you're gonna click on the video and then click on that pencil icon to edit your tags. This is the only way to add your tags to your video on your phone. So I'm going to go back to Notion and then paste all my tags to my YouTube video. Once you're happy, click save. And you're done. If you want to make more advanced changes, go to YouTube Studio on desktop. There you can make changes to like your title, your description. If you want to add some hashtags, you can go ahead and do that. Change your playlist, and then most importantly, update your tags if you need to. I like to use TubeBuddy to get ideas for tags. And now click save and you're done. I hope this was helpful.